Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy DIY face mask using household products. All you will need is a paper towel, some scissors, and a sock. First, I start out by cutting both ends of the sock, maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches off. You can measure it on your face to see exactly how much you need to cut off. So now I'm just going to fold the sock in half just to make sure that both sides are even. So I'm going to cut the excess off. By the way, these are men's socks and I got them out of the Dollar General. Now I'm taking the paper towel and I just folded it in half. And then I'm going to fold it down into like a triangle so that it'll fit inside of the sock. The reason for the paper towel is so it can work as a filter. So now you can insert the paper towel into the sock. Make sure you put it directly in the middle so when you wear the mask, the paper towel covers your mouth. And the last step is to cut a slit at both ends of the sock. So you just kind of fold it in half and cut a small slit. Well, start out small. Measure your ears so you make sure that you're not cutting the slit too big so that the slit can fit around your ears. And that's it. It was that simple. Now you have your own DIY face mask. And here's how it looks when you put it on. I hope this helped. You guys be safe and thanks for watching.